Hi, in this video we will study some numericals based on mass percentage. How to calculate mass percentage. Okay, so for calculating mass percentage we should know atomic weight. Generally in exam they give you atomic weights, so no need to by heart atomic weights. Okay, atomic weight को by heart करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now first numerical, here you can see the first numerical, calculate the mass percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. So what you will do here, first calculate gram molar mass. Okay, find the value of gram molar mass of ammonia. So for that we require atomic mass of nitrogen, which is 14, and atomic mass of hydrogen, which is 1. Since there are 3 hydrogen atoms, total mass due to hydrogen atoms will be 3 into 1, that's equal to 3. So gram molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram per mole. Now gram molar mass indicates molar mass in gram, right? So it is 17 gram per mole. Now we'll calculate the mass percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Out of the 17 gram mass of ammonia, the mass of nitrogen is 14. Therefore, the mass percentage of nitrogen in ammonia is 14, that is mass of nitrogen, divided by total mass of molecule, that is 17 into 100. So 14 divided by 17 into 100, so 82.35%, right? So that's the mass percentage of ammonia. What's the meaning of percentage out of 100? Okay, 100 में से कितना नाइट्रोजन रहता? अगर 100 ग्राम अमोनिया रहेगा तो उसमें नाइट्रोजन कितना रहेगा? अगर 100 ग्राम अमोनिया है तो उसमें नाइट्रोजन रहेगा 14 ग्राम, सॉरी, तो उसमें नाइट्रोजन रहेगा 82.35%. क्योंकि अगर 17 ग्राम अमोनिया है हमारे पास तो नाइट्रोजन होता है उसमें 14 ग्राम, राइट? तो अगर 100 ग्राम है तो कितना रहेगा? 82.35%. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज अ मास परसेंटेज. नाउ विल सी सेकेंड न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, इस दूसरे न्यूमेरिकल में उन्होंने क्या बोला है? कैलकुलेट द मास परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन इन ग्लूकोज. द अगेन सेम मेथड विल फॉलो. फर्स्ट विल कैलकुलेट gram molar mass of glucose. Now gram molar mass of glucose, what's the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. So atomic mass of carbon is 12 and there are total 6 atoms of carbon. So total mass due to carbon is 12 into 6, that's 72. Total mass due to hydrogen is 12 into 1, that's equal to 12 gram. And total mass due to oxygen atoms is 16 into 6. 16 is the atomic weight of oxygen and there are 6 atoms of oxygen, so 96. So if you are adding these numbers, 72 plus 12 plus 96, you will get gram molar mass of glucose. That's a 180 gram per mole. Now to calculate mass percentage of carbon, we'll do second step. Out of this 180 gram, that's a total mass of molecule. What's the mass of carbon? So carbon has a mass 12 into 6, that is 72 gram. Therefore the mass percentage of carbon in glucose will be 72 divided by 180 into 100, that's a 40%. So the mass percentage of carbon in glucose will be 40%. Now we will calculate mass percentage of oxygen in glucose. So in 180 gram of glucose, the mass of nitrogen is 96. Therefore the mass percentage of oxygen glucose is 96 divided by 180 into 100, that's a 53.33%. Okay, then we'll solve third numerical. Calculate the mass percentage of sulfur in sodium thiosulfate. Okay, so for this again we'll follow the same method. We'll first calculate the molar mass of Na2S2O3, that is sodium thiosulfate. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 and there are 2 sodium atoms, so it is 23 into 2. atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and there are 2 sulfur atoms, so 32 into 2 is the mass of sulfur. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so total mass due to oxygen is 16 into 3. So it gives you gram molar mass of Na2S2O3 158 gram per mole. Now we want to calculate what? Mass percentage of sulfur in Na2S2O3. So mass of sulfur here is 64. Therefore the mass percentage of sulfur in Na2S2O3 will be 64 divided by 158 into 100. So it gives you mass percentage of sulfur, that's 40.51, right? So that's the mass percentage of sulfur in sodium thiosulfate, 40.51%. 40.51% is the mass percentage of sulfur. Now next numerical, the nitrogen requirement of particular form is 50 kg, मीन्स हमें 50 kg नाइट्रोजन चाहिए. किससे चाहिए, कौन से कंपाउंड से चाहिए? यूरिया से चाहिए. सो हाउ मच यूरिया? द फॉर्मूला ऑफ यूरिया इज गिवन NH2CO. NH2 is needed to complete this requirement. So again we have to calculate gram molar mass of urea first. So gram molar mass of urea we will calculate. In urea there are 2 nitrogen atoms, so mass due to nitrogen is 14 into 2. 1 carbon atom, mass of carbon atom is 12, that's the atomic mass of carbon. There's 1 oxygen atom, so atomic weight of oxygen is 16, and 4 hydrogen atoms, so weight due to hydrogen will be 4 gram. So total gram molar mass of urea is 60 gram per mole, right? Now we have to calculate the amount of urea required to get 50 kg of nitrogen. 50 kg of nitrogen means 50,000 gram of nitrogen, right? Now we know that 60 gram of urea, okay, 60 gram of urea contain 2 nitrogen atoms, that is 28 gram of nitrogen, right? The formula of urea is NH2CONH2, right? So there are 2 nitrogen atoms. So 60 gram of urea contain 2 nitrogen atoms. 2 nitrogen atoms means 28 gram of nitrogen. So 60 gram of urea contain 28 gram of nitrogen. Therefore W gram of urea contain 50,000 gram of nitrogen. So we need to calculate value of W. So that you can get by cross multiplication. 60 multiplied to 50,000 divided by 28. So W is equal to 60 into 50,000 divided by 28. So it will come this 1,07,142 gram of urea, right? This value you will get. Now if you are converting this value to in a kg, then you will get 107.142 kg. So in order to get 50 kg of nitrogen, we require 107.142 kilogram of urea. Now next numerical, calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen in hydrogen sulfide. Here again we'll follow the same procedure. हमें पहले ग्राम मोलर मास निकालना है किसका, हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड का. gram molar mass of hydrogen sulfide is 2 plus 32. 2 is a mass of hydrogen in hydrogen sulfide and 32 is a mass of sulfur. So it will give you gram molar mass, that is 34 gram per mole. Now we can calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen in hydrogen sulfide. In 34 gram of hydrogen sulfide, the mass of hydrogen is 2 gram. Therefore, the mass percentage of hydrogen sulfide in H2S, so the mass percentage of hydrogen in hydrogen sulfide is equal to 2 divided by 34 into 100, so which will come 5.88%. Okay, so these are few important numericals based on what? Mass percentage. Okay, thank you.